To begin with, first start off by disconnecting the positive and negative terminals from the battery using a 10mm socket. Then spray down the rusty threads of the battery clamp with WD-40 or something similar so that the nut can be removed with less struggle. So here I'm clamping down the threaded rod with a vice grip so that it doesn't turn while I'm removing the nut. After removing one of the nuts, you should be able to remove the battery from the vehicle. Place the battery on the tray, hook both sides of the battery clamp to the metal slot below, and tighten both nuts until the battery is secure. If the threaded rod is rusted, repeat the same process as in the beginning of the video. Clamp the vice grip and start tightening the bolt. Finally, reattach the battery terminals and tighten with a 10mm socket.